Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf Shah from Techdroids and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel and completing the RTX family unboxings on the channel. Today we have the Galax RTX 2070. I know a bunch of unboxings in a row, but again, huge thanks to Galax for sending me the RTX 2070 as well for review. And as I've been saying in all my videos, this is going to be the last unboxing. After this, we're going to do the PC build for 1 lakh rupees. And we're going to try all the 3 GPUs because we have the Ryzen 7 2700X and 16 gigs of RAM. So any of these RTX GPUs wouldn't really be a bottleneck. So you're going to be doing benchmarks and a whole complete build of this PC. That's coming up very soon. And also I'm going to be doing comparisons between the RTX series of GPUs for those of you guys who are confused which one to buy, the RTX 2060, the 2070 or even the 2080 Ti. But in this video, it's all about the RTX 2070 from Galax. And yeah, this is the white mini edition. 8 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory, and you also have your simple display outputs, so one HDMI, one DisplayPort, and also you have your DVI connector on this one. But with that being said, basically again, branding and logos. On the back you have your main highlight features, so yeah, how it can help you maybe play better games, do multiple monitors, stunning visuals, smoother gameplay, all those things. You also have DirectX 12, NVIDIA Ansel, ray tracing technology. This is based on the Turing architecture. Again, as I said, has 8 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory. And with that being said, let's just jump into it and unbox this graphics card. Very good packaging in my opinion. Let's just open it up. And first things first is this styrofoam covering. Gonna throw it away. And you also have your pamphlet from Galax that'll tell you their website address and a simple quick start guide just to get it up and running. So how to install it, where to get the drivers from, how to get the drivers running, all that is there in this one. So we're going to keep it to the side. First thing in the box is this Molex to 8-pin PCI power connector. This is not a very power hungry card, so this runs on a single power connector, no problem. And there you have it, the main deal, the Galax RTX 2070 white mini edition. Again, looks pretty cute. It's very small in terms of the form factor, only 2 fans, and I couldn't really imagine this is packing so much of power inside it. It's white in color, as the name suggests, the white mini. You have your GeForce RTX branding over here. You have your display outputs, so again DVI, HDMI and DisplayPort. And you have your 2 small little fans. Feels like a different kind of plastic. Again, it is still plastic, but yeah, it feels pretty nice, pretty premium. And this is the RTX 2070 for you guys from Galax. Again, huge thanks to them for sending it for review. And I promise this is going to be the last unboxing of an RTX GPU. I couldn't really get the RTX 2080 because no one really is opting for the 2080. Usually people choose the 2070 or just go for the 2080 Ti, putting the extra money in. But I'll try my best actually to get the 2080 if I can. We'll definitely do an unboxing of that as well. But with that being said, that's about it for this RTX 2060. But with that being said, that's about it for this RTX 2070 unboxing from Galax. And yeah, I want to mention it. This looks really cute. Pretty small, so it will fit into not only this case, but also your ITX or micro ATX or mini ITX builds as well. Pretty nice form factor. And that's about it for this video guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Some cool content coming up very soon. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the recent videos. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.